How to change Facebook profile picture without notifying anyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook profile picture without notifying anyone. The first step is to open or launch the Facebook mobile application. This is the homepage of the app, as you can see. From there, make sure you tap the menu icon. It is this icon with the hamburger symbol at the top right corner of the screen. This is the menu section of your Facebook account. On this section or page, there are more options and shortcuts that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, tap on the profile name at the top section of the page. This will take you to the profile section of your account. On this page, there are sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From the options that are here, make sure you tap this one here named Edit Profile. You will land on this page where there are many different options and sections that you can use to make some edits to the information on your profile. The one we need is this one here at the top named Profile Picture. The option you need to use is the one here named Edit. This will take you to the gallery of your phone, as you can see here. From the gallery, make sure you scroll through the photos and look for the one you want to set as your profile picture. After that, tap on the photo so that it can be loaded to the page. As you can see, the profile picture is ready to be shared. But before sharing it, there is an important check mark at the bottom named Share Your Update to the Newsfeed. Make sure you uncheck this check mark here. This will ensure the photo is not shared on your profile, and this will not notify the people who are your Facebook friends. So, go ahead and tap here to save the changes you have made. As you can see, when I visit my profile, no photo has been shared with. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to change a Facebook profile picture without notifying anyone.